In this video, we will guide you to install the bulk WhatsApp software. Once your purchase is complete, you can instantly download the installation file. In some cases, we will send you the installation file. Once you get the setup file, you can install the bulk WhatsApp software just like any other Windows software. Once the installation is complete, a shortcut of the software will be placed on your desktop. When you launch the software for the first time, it will ask you to activate the software. To activate the software, you will need two activation codes. One is displayed on your screen and we will provide the second one. Copy the code you see on your screen and send it to us through the link provided in the description. We will send you another code from our side through email, so please provide the correct information to us. As soon as you get the code from us, copy the entire code and paste the code in the other box. Now, click the Activate Now button. Your software will be activated. In the future, check this channel for updates, tips, and tricks to use the software. Thanks for watching.